Hi, I'm Anwar and I'm a Research and Innovation Manager at ASCORA. ASCORA is an SME based in northern Germany with focus on three main domains. First, we develop and sell B2C products for over 18 million users worldwide in categories like security, system tools or multimedia. Second, we provide B2B solutions targeting multiple sectors like Industry 4.0, construction and e-commerce. And we also involve in several projects within the research and innovation domain. We are leading three main tasks within the project. The portal in task 5.2. In this task, we are taking care of implementing a web-based portal that provides a unified access point to all the distributed tools and platforms in the ecosystem. It allows the user to access connected tools, based platforms, the marketplaces, experiments and pilots through a unified interface. Secondly, task 3.3, the integrated marketplace framework and realization. In this task, ASCORA will provide the internal marketplace framework that provides access to all products and services from different interconnected platforms provided by the project partners. And finally, the secure data storage solution in task 4.3, which enables persistent storage of data gathered through data analytics components and the factory connectors tools. ASCORA will use the platform result to strengthen their own product line and especially its focus on personalized ICT systems and services for data processing. More precisely, we will use the results of the secure data storage component to improve and extend our services. Secondly, we will exploit the results in connection with the integrated marketplace, as the majority of our products licensed are sold directly to end customers via the company's own online shop. Improvement in this area can bring great benefits. Furthermore, the resulted portal from task 5.2 will be exploited in various ways as the components are being developed so they can be reusable in other internal and commercialized products.